Question 4, Mental Maths, Group 1, on Monday. 3 numbers total 99. One number is 35 and the other is 15. What is the third number? So we know that the total is 99, so let's put it in a bar model. We know the total is going to be 99. We also know part of the number is 35 and another part is 15. This is the part we need. It's a mystery one here. So if we add 35 and 15 together, we will get 30 and 10 is 40, and 5 and 5 is 10, 40 and 10 is 50. So 50 and what makes 99? And if we were to do it in a counting on sum, we could just use our number line, and we could go 50 plus 40 equals 90 plus 9 equals 99. And if we know that the distance between 50 and 99 was 40 plus 9, we know that the mystery number must be 40 and 9, which is 49. And that is our mystery number, 49.